Hey guys, so the fun times are over. The world's first Infinity O display phone is here. Samsung won the race, but Huawei gave us the best of the best in-display camera phone, and I personally like the smaller hole and a beautiful bezel-less design of Huawei. And not only this, the Nova 4 also the world's first phone to have a whopping 48 megapixel camera sensor on the back, and the colors are also amazing on Nova 4. I personally like the red colored Nova 4, but the competition is not over here. The granddaddy of them, the true competitor of the Samsung Galaxy S10 got leaked, the Huawei P30 Pro. Huawei delivered their best with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Arguably, it is one of the best phone out there in terms of design, camera, performance, processor. Everything was great there. Only the Pixel can compete it in terms of the camera department, but Huawei is taking it even further with the upcoming beast Huawei P30 Pro. So as I said in my previous videos, Huawei P30 Pro will have quad camera setup on its back, and no, this camera setup is not like the Galaxy A9. This will be the best camera setup which gives you up to 10 times optical zoom. Here is nothing known much about the camera configuration, but it will definitely have a 48 megapixel camera sensor as first seen in the Huawei Nova 4, and it will also be present on the Honor View 20. That Honor will be showcased on 25th of December, and you can also expect TOF sensor as well. Here's nothing confirmed about it, but seems like it will have it. In case you don't know what is TOF/time of flight sensor, so basically it's a 3D sensor that can recognize objects, things or person at 3D state in real time. It will help in depth sensing, enhance AR and VR experiences. And the screen protector of the Huawei P30 Pro also got leaked, in which you can see it has this water drop style notch on top. If you wonder that why it will not have that in-display camera hole, because we know Samsung is a king when it comes to the display market. That's why the hole on OLED is currently exclusive to Samsung. Samsung shared the hole on LCD tech with BOE, Chinese display maker, for their Galaxy A8s. That's why Huawei managed to get it for the Huawei Nova 4, and that's the reason why we can see water drop notch on the Huawei P30 Pro, whereas with the Huawei P30 we can see the hole on display, as that phone will use LCD panel instead of OLED. And the Huawei P30 Pro also have that beautiful curved edges as of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So here we all have on the Huawei P30 Pro. Let me know what you think about it, and please be sure to subscribe for the full coverage on the Huawei P30 Pro. And yeah, see you soon.